So the question is, why is it, why do you guys think a person can, what's going on with yoga that creates such an enormously healing physiology? Do you know?
Everything.
What do you mean? What do you mean recenters?
Like all of yoga is based around like your chakras, and so each like move and stuff is to like realign all of our like systems. Each chakra has like a system in them, and you're supposed to realign those all together so that your body is working together. I don't know.
Okay, so what you're speaking of is an energy system, the chakras, right? Now, for those of you who have no idea what chakras are, I don't either. But we know that we have energy systems that are at more subtle levels than the physical, that may or may not be in line or out of line. So my question for you is, how is it that putting yourself in a position does that? Do you know what I'm saying? Because I don't question at all what you're saying. And how is it that doing a pose can do that?
I don't have an answer, but I have another question. Because if you look at, so anatomically, his knees, like where his cartilage should be, is probably worn down after jumping out of planes. Like
Probably, yeah.
So, and that's not to say that the yoga like built up more cartilage, but for him to not have pain while doing it, that's what's crazy to me. Because I don't know if it repairs that or not, but 'cause if you were to do a biopsy and look at it, it'd probably be like nothing.
Bone on bone, most likely, right?
Yeah.
Correct, yeah.
So my husband he was paralyzed 7 years ago. He does yoga every single day from the time he was in his
Paralyzed where?
He has a partially severed spinal cord at C6 and C7 and had so much spinal cord damage that he was paraplegic. When he was first paralyzed, he was given 0% chance of standing. And he walks now. But he like really believes that yoga realigned his muscles and his bones by strengthening them, and it allowed his nerve endings to heal and to reinnervate those muscles in places that he couldn't move. And just by, it does a lot of stuff with your balance, with your strength, because it literally strengthens like every muscle in your body, which realigns your bones, which realigns all of your body systems and allows them to function properly.
Okay, so what I've heard is energy systems, physical systems. Ava?
I would think that being able to channel your mind, like because he was doing the poses and concentrating really, really hard, and he got better every day. I think that's kind of how.
So the mental system as well. I mean, here's what I do know for sure. I mean, there's tons and tons of research. They've done research to support what they've been knowing for 5,000 years. That the body seems to get better when it is put back in balance. The mind seems to get better when it's put back in balance. The energy systems of us seem to get better when they're put back in balance. And there's something about the poses that you can put yourself in, and there's about 2,000 or 3,000 of them. Poses. When you put yourself in those positions, moving your joint through its range of motion, however that looks, the body goes, thank you, we're back in balance, and now I can heal. Remember, never forget this for the rest of your life. Never forget this. When you're in the stress response, remember that it's called tear down, break apart, rip up, stress response, fight or flight. When you're in balance, in homeostasis, it's called rest and repair.